Are you waiting for your green card interview or stuck checking the visa bulletin every month, hoping for good news? Here's the truth. August 2025 brings both setbacks and opportunities, and if you don't act now, you might fall behind thousands of applicants. Let's uncover what's really going on. The August 2025 Visa Bulletin is finally here, and the spotlight is on a surprising retrogression in the EB2 category. This isn't just a number on a chart. It could directly affect when, or if, you get your visa interview. And with the fiscal year ending in October, we're entering the most critical window for U.S. immigration processing. Let's start with what everyone's talking about: retrogression in EB2. EB2 worldwide, including Mexico and the Philippines, has moved backward by 1.4 months, now set at September 1, 2023. That means if you were expecting your interview or adjustment this month, you may now be pushed into late 2025 or beyond. This kind of pullback happens when demand outpaces the visa supply, and unfortunately, this year's demand is surging. But here's the silver lining: not all categories are frozen. Let's shift focus and look at where progress is happening. EB3 applicants, you're seeing modest movement. EB3 for skilled workers and professionals has advanced by 1 month to May 22, 2013. That's not huge, but it's progress, and it may continue in September. And if you're applying under EB5, especially from India or China, you're in luck. EB5 India advanced 6.5 months to November 15, 2019, and China jumped forward by nearly 2 years to December 8, 2015. These are some of the most substantial advancements we've seen this year. The EB5 category is becoming one of the fastest routes to a green card for eligible investors. If you can invest, don't overlook it. Now let's take a moment and ask, why is retrogression happening now? Simple answer: the end of the fiscal year. October marks the close of the government's immigration calendar. As agencies push to use up remaining visa numbers, they become cautious not to overshoot. That caution often causes retrogression, just like we're seeing in EB2. And here's where most people go wrong: they wait and do nothing. But smart applicants? They use this window to prepare. So, get document qualified now. Make sure your I-130 is filed, gather your civil documents, and submit everything correctly. The worst thing you can do is delay. When the bulletin jumps forward again, and it will, those who are ready will move ahead. Everyone else will fall behind. Here's something we don't often talk about, but it matters deeply. Behind every number is a real human story: a student who finished their degree and now waits endlessly for adjustment, a spouse separated from their partner due to long F2A processing times, or a skilled worker caught in a retrogression despite doing everything right. Immigration isn't just paperwork, it's personal. So, these bulletin updates? They matter more than ever. Now, let's break down the final action dates, because USCIS is using those, not dates for filing, to determine eligibility for adjustment of status for employment-based categories. This is critical if you're already inside the US and planning to file. Here's a summary. EB1 India and China, no change. India is still at February 15, 2022, and China at November 15, 2022. All other countries remain current. This means EB1A applicants still have an open path if you qualify. Now is the time. EB2 India remains stuck at January 1, 2013, and EB2 China at December 15, 2020. But again, all other countries moved backward to September 1, 2023. EB3 India advanced by 1 month, now May 22, 2013, while China and the Philippines remain unchanged. EB3 Mexico and worldwide remain at April 1, 2023. Family-based categories? Minimal changes. F4 for siblings from India advanced by nearly 4 months to November 1, 2016, while F2A spouses and children crept forward by 1 month to April 1, 2025. A small change, but in this climate, every inch forward counts. Let's look quickly at filing dates, basically the same as July. The only shift is for F2A, which moved up by 1 month. If your spouse is already inside the U.S. in legal status and your I-130 is approved, You may now file for adjustment based on these new dates. Looking ahead to September 2025, don't expect massive changes, especially not in EB2. But there may be slight forward movement in EB3 and family-based F4, depending on how many visas are used in August. As always, we'll be back with that bulletin analysis the moment it drops. What can you do right now? Submit all required documents. Avoid our fees, requests for evidence, by filing clean, complete cases. Don't wait until the bulletin becomes current by then. It's too late to get ahead. Consult an attorney if your case has been stuck or delayed, because next year, processing times are expected to slow down. Here's the bottom line. The window of opportunity is open right now. But by October or November, we could see backlogs increase, especially as policy shifts with the 2025 election cycle ramping up. If you're serious about your green card, this is your moment to move. And if your case is delayed, or if you're unsure what step to take next, don't wait until it's too late. We help immigrants every single day, whether it's resolving USCIS delays, preparing EB1/EB2 self-petitions, or guiding families through the green card process. If you need help, reach out, but take action today. Thanks for watching Visa Intel USA, where we bring real-time, expert-driven updates for immigrants chasing their American dream. Stay prepared, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next update. Best of luck on your visa journey. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. We're committed to keeping you updated with the latest immigration news, right here.